it just kind of helps you to spin the wheel faster, but you don't have to. You can just trade it like a car if you like. So our destination is the city. That's where you're heading to. And really the only thing you're doing is just get used to, turn a couple times, get a feel for it. There's only two things. Your main job is just not to crash, which is really simple. So if you see another boat, let him do his own thing.
Don't rear end another boat.
Exactly. If you do that, we'll be going